Are you a mortgage and protection advisor looking for a new role in 2022? We have a self-employed mortgage and protection advisor position, which is home-based, has company leads provided, and full autonomy. The benefits of this role is that you get excellent commission rates of 60% on all business written. This is including those company provided leads. On target, you should earn between £30,000 and £50,000 a year. Equipment is also provided for new mortgage advisors, such as a laptop, smartphone and stationery. You also will get IT software and compliance training. This is a full-time home-based role, so you can work from the comfort of your own home. This financial services company was first established in 2009 and has grown a successful team of over 20 mortgage advisors, which are highly rated on various review sites, including Vouched For. They are keen to recruit multiple mortgage advisors across the UK. So what are the requirements for this role? Well, you should be a current mortgage advisor holding CAS status. You must have some of your own transferable clients or introducers, and you must have a proven track record and experience of converting leads. If you would like any further details regarding this role, please do drop me a message or give me a call on 0208 00 44 154 or email applications@premierjobsuk.com.